Welcome. The Art of Forgiveness, Healing Past Wounds. Forgiveness is not easy, but it is powerful. It helps us move forward in life. Holding anger only hurts us more. Letting go brings peace inside. Long ago, Sarah was hurt by her best friend. Her friend lied and broke her trust. Sarah felt pain for many years. She stopped talking to that friend. But she could not forget the past. Every time she remembered, her heart felt heavy. One day, Sarah read a quote. "Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself." That touched her deeply. She started thinking about healing. She asked herself, why am I still carrying this pain? Sarah wrote a letter to her old friend. In the letter, she said, "I forgive you." She didn't expect an answer. But the next week, reply came. Her friend said, "Thank you. I'm sorry, too." Sarah cried while reading it. Her heart felt lighter. Forgiveness opened a new chapter. Now they are not best friends again. But Sarah feels peace. Forgiveness helped her grow. In life, we all feel hurt sometimes. But we have the choice to forgive. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means understanding and releasing the pain. We forgive not for others, but for ourselves. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Healing takes time. But the first step is choosing to forgive. Forgive your past. Forgive people who didn't say sorry. You deserve peace. English isn't just words and grammar. It's also emotion and life. Stories like this help you feel and understand. Practice these words: hurt, heal, forgive, peace, let go. Use this story to grow your English. Say this aloud: I forgive. I move on. Think of someone you need to forgive. Write it down. Say it with your heart. You will feel lighter. You will feel stronger. And your English will grow with your soul. Forgiveness is an art. Learn it, in life and in English.